Luxury, sophistication, and engineering distinguish the 2026 Prevost Liberty Motorhome. This custom-built luxury motorhome blends Prevost's legendary performance and structural integrity with Liberty Coach's timeless elegance and painstaking craftsmanship for discriminating travelers. World-class facilities, smart technology, and premium Motorcoach materials redefine comfort in the 2026 model, suited for full-time living or long-haul luxury travel. Signature style for maximum strength, the 2026 Prevost Liberty Motorhome is striking. The sleek, aerodynamic body has high-gloss, multi-stage bespoke paint, metallic highlights, and chrome trim. Prevost X3-45 and H3-45 chassis are strong, stable, and safe. Button-activated slide-outs improve the coach's interior while keeping its exterior. Underbelly and hidden stores hold gear, tools, and luxury. Wheeled private jet interior, it'll feel like a penthouse or yacht. Custom interior design uses rare timbers, imported stone, leather, and high-gloss lacquer. Each room of this mobile marvel has ambient lighting, beautiful flooring, and amazing craftsmanship. Lounge/living room. Contemporary main salon, living room is large enough for entertaining or relaxing. Hand-stitched leather sofas and recliners, heated porcelain tile flooring, 65-inch 4K OLED smart TV with surround sound, motorized blackout and translucent shades, customizable fireplace, LED flame settings, panorama windows with dual panes offer great views and insulation. Kitchen/dining chef and gourmet kitchens feature high-end appliances and efficient layouts. Sub-zero refrigerator with ice maker, Gaggenau induction cooktop, Miele convection, your microwave oven, dishwasher drawer and deep stainless steel sink, quartz granite counters with hidden lighting, extended dinettes and bar-height tables simplify dining, working, and entertaining. Personal master bedroom Liberty. Motorhome's bedroom suite is a soothing sanctuary with a king-size bed, luxurious mattress, adjustable base, and 2 nightstands with wireless charging, ceiling-mounted smart TV with surround sound, cedar-lined full-height wardrobes, smart lighting, HVAC zoning, and mood presets, main cabin sliding privacy doors, deluxe bathroom and spa, a huge walk-in rainfall shower with tile and illuminated shelving, heated floors and towel racks, and a vessel sink vanity with touchless faucet and mirror lighting are in the coach's rear bathroom. Luxury fittings, linen storage, and privacy lighting. High-tech, eco-friendly bidet toilet. Full-length mirrors and stacking washer, dryers may be in the dressing room. Technology and smart integration. The 2026 Liberty has an iPad-based coach control system, LCCS, voice control for lights, shades, temperature, and media, whole coach Wi-Fi with satellite internet, 360-degree camera monitoring, and remote climate and security management. Its industrial-grade generator, lithium battery pack, and solar panel system allow this bus to run off the grid. Ride, safety, performance. Prevost-based 2026 Liberty boasts smooth air ride suspension, ADAS, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping, automatic braking, collision warning, blind spot monitoring, and optional driver's lounge or larger co-pilot seats. When driving or being chauffeured, it's quiet, strong, and smooth. Conclusion. The 2026 Prevost Liberty Motorhome is luxurious and well-built. It best blends performance, technology, and classic elegance. Living full-time, touring long distances, or just enjoying the road, the Liberty Motorhome makes every trip better.